Java developers often work with two main types of data, primitive and reference data types. Unlike primitive types that store values directly, reference data types store memory addresses pointing to actual objects. In this video, we'll explore the key reference data types in Java and why they matter. Reference data types are stored in heap memory and have a default value of null. They allow Java to implement object-oriented programming by supporting properties, methods, and complex data structures. First, let's talk about strings. A string in Java is an immutable sequence of characters. For example, string myString equals hello, Java. Since strings are immutable, any modification creates a new string object rather than changing the original. Next, we have arrays. Arrays store multiple values of the same data type in a fixed size structure. Example, int, numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arrays provide fast access to elements but cannot change size dynamically. Classes are the foundation of Java's object-oriented programming. A class defines a blueprint, and objects are instances of these classes. Example, person equals new person. Classes support inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Interfaces define method signatures without implementation, allowing multiple classes to share behavior. Example, list_string names equals new array list. Interfaces enable flexibility and code reusability in Java applications. Why are reference types so important? They enable object-oriented programming, facilitate dynamic memory allocation, support inheritance and polymorphism. Mastering reference data types is key to writing efficient and scalable Java programs. Now that you understand reference data types in Java, which one is your favorite? Let's discuss in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Java tutorials.